In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning text designs using Canva with a simple gradient effect. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva, your go-to platform for all things design. Once you're there, it's time to choose the project you want to work on. This could be anything from a presentation slide, a social media post, or whatever your heart desires. Keep in mind that the steps we cover today can be applied to various types of projects, so feel free to let your creativity run wild. Now, let's get your canvas ready. Start by changing the background to black. This will help make the gradient text really pop and stand out. To do this, just select the background and then pick black from the color options. Next, we're going to introduce some gradient magic. Click on Apps in the left panel. In the search bar, type the gradient and look for Type Gradient. Once you find it, go ahead and click Open to bring up its options. With your gradient tool open, type out the text you want to transform. This is where you can truly express yourself, so pick something impactful or meaningful. After typing your text, you'll see options to adjust your gradient fill and select your desired colors. This flexibility allows you to tailor the gradient to suit the overall theme of your design, whether you want vibrant hues or something more subtle. You also have the ability to change fonts to better reflect your style. Canva offers a wide selection, so take your time in choosing one that complements your text and design. Once you're satisfied with your text and appearance, click Add to Design to place it onto your project. For those looking to add an extra flair with an outline effect, here's a neat trick. Right-click on your text and choose the Download Selection option. Ensure you check the box for a transparent background so only the text is saved. After downloading, drag your text file into Canva to upload it. You'll now delete the initial text to avoid any overlap. Next, navigate to Edit in Canva, where you'll find advanced options. Select Shadows, then click on Outline. This feature will give your text that crisp, clear border, making it look even more professional. Choose the outline color you prefer for a custom finish, and don't forget you can also control the thickness and style of the outline to better suit your design needs. And there you have it. This is now your final result. A beautifully designed gradient text with an eye-catching outline, perfect for any project. Whether it's for a social media post or a presentation, these steps will help you stand out. Thanks for joining me today and happy designing.